To another tutorial. In today's video, we're going to be talking about our autoresponder Mailingboss and just doing a quick overview of the application. This application is really important because it lets you communicate with your users after they subscribe or maybe buy a product of your own. So you will be integrating your email marketing forms and your contact forms with your Mailingboss so you can set up the autoresponder and send out campaigns and email sequences to your users. Over here is our latest list. We can create a list right here, and we can also create a campaign. If you click over here in lists, you can either go to lists or tools. If you click in lists, you'll see all of your lists that you have made so far. And if you click in tools, you can sync your subscribers, or you could choose to split a list. Over here in campaigns, if we go to email regular, we will also see a list of our campaigns that we have made so far. So some of them have a different time signature to it. Some others are drafts, some have been sent, and some are still sending. Okay, over here again in campaigns, we can go to our email sequences, and over here, guys, you can make actual email sequences. So before we talked about campaigns and they are singular emails. Over here in the sequences, you can have a set of emails to send out automatically, and each would maybe a different day and a different timestamp assigned to it. So really nice thing to do also. Over here, if we click in campaigns also, we can go to custom tags. And over here is where you make your tags. If you don't know what this really is, we have some tutorials on it that you can access through your office, okay? Over here in templates, you can go either to my templates, and I have this one saved here. I didn't know I had this here, but you can also go to the gallery and choose one, okay? You can choose one to work with, any one, and then that template can make part of your campaign or sequences. Over here in automation, you have a list of your automation rules that you have made so far, or you can add rules by clicking here or clicking over here. Next, if you go over here into your name, you click it, there will be some configurations that you can make to your profile in Mailingboss. So you can change your name and also your professional email over here. So okay guys, over here, just some more information. And over here is if you wish to log out of your autoresponder. Let's go back over here to the main page. And over here to your left, guys, you will find a menu. So you can go directly to the dashboard. You have price plans, lists, campaigns, templates, domains, API keys, automation, and integration key. For you guys, I would go through all of them to make sure that you know what it is and how it works and what it can do for you, okay, to make things maybe go smoother, go easier for you. So pretty much, guys, that's what the autoresponder gives you, is a chance to send out emails to your current users and clients automatically without you having to do it manually. So pretty much, guys, that is all Mailingboss is about. If you guys are going through the application and you find yourself stuck, or you want to know how something works in a specific, go to your office over here and access your tutorials. So let's go over here to tutorial videos, and once you're over here in this page, over here in the list to your left, there's Mailingboss autoresponder. If you click over here, we have many tutorials that can help you with specific things, okay? So before you write a ticket to our support team, make sure you look through these tutorials to see if your question can be answered by a tutorial. If not, go ahead and make a ticket for us and we'll happily assist you. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.